What is 6 inches long, fits in your mouth, and is more fun when it vibrates? That a flavor gotta get outside the next, question here at the street. But today, yeah, today we're not gonna love them video, you see me? So just stay tuned and like, share, subscribe, comment, and everything. You know the vibe already. Yo. So flavor guy there, and today I'm here with the sax man, call me Alex.
Tay, Maya.
My name, Bingo White.
Pretty. Yeah, Steve, my name differently donut man, you know?
Serena.
Yeah, man, you're there with Drip God, man, one and only, man. Big up JNL channel, CM, you don't know.
Yeah,
And
man.
big up Flavor God. And big up the G, we say forever upon him shirt.
That
You
is
don't
it,
know him in I'm Air Force.
bro.
Tap, tap, tana. Tap, tap, tana. Broke, broke, bones. Yeah. Skeleton wine for my girl, them.
Ooh.
Brought them bones, brought that bones, yeah. Broke your bones.
Yeah.
Man, I mean for say, for broke your butt, this so. She tiki taki, make it drop, this so.
If last month was June, next month is
July.
Which summer? Which holiday?
you sure?
No, July. Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
July. July, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
April.
July.
Say we confident because you know it.
July.
July. So if last month was June, right? Next month is
July.
July? Yeah? Yeah. Alright. August. August. So if last month was June, next month is August. What is the largest organ in the human body?
Oh, oh. No.
Hmm?
All right.
What is the largest organ in the human body?
All right, kidney.
Yeah?
Kidney.
Kidney?
Yeah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The kidney? Yeah? The kidney? Kidney? Yeah. The largest organ in the human body? Yeah. Let's say a kidney, we ain't too know about the body. Things say, let's say a kidney. Oh, you ain't too sure about the body part. You remember, because some of them used to learn at school, but soon a long time ago, school, yeah. To remember.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
What you that think is the largest organ of the human body? What you think?
One eternity later.
Boy, we just said it, the tribe more all of a thing upon the tribe, more larger than more certain thing in the body. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Largest organ in human body.
Yeah.
Your organ in.
Yeah.
Your organ in.
Yeah. So what is the largest organ in the human body?
Yeah, is your organ in.
Yeah?
Yeah, your organ in.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
In the human body.
Right name?
Organ in.
Which part that located?
That locate must see in your so.
In the say located?
Yeah. Do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
organ in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Something all right. Something all right, yeah.
The skin?
What is the answer?
That's not the answer.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
So what is the answer?
Stomach?
Huh?
The stomach?
What is the answer?
I said skin, but
So you sure that's the answer?
it's not largest. Yeah,
So what is the
it probably is
largest?
though. Yeah, it's probably a skin, man. A skin. Skin?
Yeah, it's the skin.
Oh, so I will have to take a fool.
Show me your friends, and I'll show you your future.
What is 6 inches long, fits in your mouth, and is more fun when it vibrates? What is 6 inches long, right? Fits in your mouth, and more fun when it vibrates.
You're not draw me out, you know? You're not gonna draw me out.
Me say your tongue, you know.
Your tongue?
Yeah, man.
Your tongue.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Cause my tongue no vibrate, man.
Your tongue vibrate?
No. Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
The tongue you move, man.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, that tongue?
Eh?
Tongue?
Tongue?
Yeah.
So, what is 6 inches long, right?
Yeah.
Fits in your mouth, and more fun when it vibrates.
The tongue, I say tongue.
So, tongue are the answer?
Yeah. You know how you must do this?
Oh. Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right.
No, God!
That it more vibrate. Well, me don't know about that one day now. One thing going on my mouth, I'm just my toothbrush and my toothpaste. I don't know about that one day still. So, what do you think of the answer? That sound like something where females them should take. Cause it vibrate. Straight. Yeah. Yeah, man. So what answer? I don't really know what you'd have to check the female them with that one day. Oh. You see me? Cause them can't really tell you about the vibrate part. Cause I don't really know about that part. Yeah. But the only thing I know I just my toothbrush and my toothpaste. Alright. Alright, so how old are you?
I'm 16.
And how old are you?
15.
Alright, so if you born 10 years ago, right? And you born 10 years ago, how old would you guys be today?
6. 6. 5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, chest. I can't breathe.
So if you are 18 right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
I born 10 years ago. How old are you right now?
8.
8. Yeah. Yeah? Good?
Yeah.
That I answer? Yeah.
Jesus.
How old are you right now?
70.
Alright, so if you were born 10 years ago, how old would you be today?
If we did born 10 years ago,
Yeah, how old would you be today?
would have be 60.
I'm 43 years old.
Alright, so you're 43 now, so
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
if you're born 10 years ago, how old would you be
Look
today?
here now. Look here now. Me da all in a leave my 100 and them thing that.
Yeah.
You see me a deal it. Yeah, me da in a me 100. Cause watch you now when people see me on the video and nobody feel like me a fool. Me have headpiece and me can't reason.
Tell them your age, because you're 40 something now, though, 43. I tell them, say, 10 years ago you're born. Today you're going to be how much? Tell them.
Today it'll be how much? Me da in a me 100 today.
Me, I'm 42.
Alright, so if you're born 10 years ago, how old would you be today?
I'm born 10 years ago.
Yeah.
22, 23, 25, or so.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
So if you're 42 right now,
Yeah.
if you're born 10 years ago, how old would you be today?
I'm 42, I'm born 10 years ago.
Yeah.
About 28, or so.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. 20. 28.
Yeah, yeah. That's right.
Yeah, so. So if a rooster lay an egg on the top of a roof, right?
Yeah.
Which way would the egg roll?
My front, man.
Front?
Yeah. My front?
Yeah, front.
Talo.
If a rooster lays
Yeah.
an egg, right? If
Yeah.
a rooster lays an egg on the top of a roof, right?
Yeah.
Which way would the egg roll?
Grow.
Roll.
Roll.
Yeah.
To the roll forward.
Yeah?
Forward. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
To the roll forward.
Yeah.
Which summer? Which holiday? Which summer? Which holiday?
So if a rooster lays an egg on the top of a roof, right?
Hey.
Which way would the egg roll?
To the roll up.
To which direction?
If a rooster lay a egg up there, so it
Yeah.
will roll straight up. Yeah.
So if a rooster, right? A rooster, you know, we have to lays an egg on the top of a roof. Which way would that roll?
It will roll straight up.
If a rooster lays an egg on the top of a roof, right? Which way would the egg roll?
Down.
Down. If a rooster
Yeah.
lays
No,
an
rooster no lay egg.
Oh!
If you're in a race, right?
Yeah.
You're in a race and you overtake the person that is in second place. Which place would you be in?
It'll be in the first place, man.
Yeah, the first place.
Yeah, me it'll be in the first place.
Boy, if you don't get
First place.
Say it more confident.
Yeah, no, yeah, man. First place.
Alright.
First place. I would be in first place.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that in the first place. If you pass the first way in the second place, you're in the first place.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
No, God!
If she's in a race, right? And she overtakes the person that is in second place, which place would she be in?
Second. Second.
Sure.
Yeah. Sure.
Pretty, the last time I hook up on YouTube, you know, when the man then come here, you know, when COVID, you know, and then man come touch him, and the man then rolling down and say I COVID him, you know, and then carry when I beat, you know, because he say, yeah, he touch me right here, so. The man say, boy, you have to come, you know, because I COVID, the man have, you know, so you have to come, you know. Me just sit down there and me run where?
Active again was another successful day in the streets, people. So you know, so look out for that video, like, share, subscribe, and you know from the start part of that video, ending that video, see me. So thank you for the support again. Just like up the video, share, comment, subscribe, and thing. You know, and when I flavor way, how we go.